The evolve function can be accessed by pressing more and evolve. And the way that the evolve function works is by running the image through the AI again. So whatever is in the square will be sent to the AI and reran together with wherever is written here. So the way this works is we can write, let's say, a abstract oil painting. And let's just do one image. I'm going to set the strengths to 85. And the strength decides how strong the processing will be on the image. And what we write here is what the image will be guided towards. It is not an instruction. It is simply like generating an image. However, we're also giving it an image as input. So as you can see here, the image which was generated was a bit too much there. So we're going to try again with a lot lower strength. Let's put this to, say, 60. So let me complete the prompt here. You can also write something else, such as, oh, here we go. We got the image back. Yeah, and as you can see, it says turn the image into something completely else. Now, evolve is one of the oldest functions in Visually. And while it still works, you can also use the edit function to create similar variations and edits. As the edit function is a lot more general and it can be instructed to do basically anything. So in this example, let's convert this image into a abstract oil painting. And as you can see, right now we're using the edit function, as it can also do a lot of the things that evolve can and give similar results, sometimes better, sometimes worse. There we go. So as we can see, the edit function did a pretty decent job, I'd say, of converting the image. And we can actually draw some of the pixels back into the image to give it a type of combination of painting an image here. As you can see, we have like quite rough edges around here. So I'm going to put the solidity a lot more down and then soften them up right here to give a more seamless transition. We can also increase the radius and really get it smooth. There we go. Now we have a little bit of an interesting effect on our image.